The final part of our DPS discussion is the S, which stands for System Number. Looking at the big picture, keep in mind that one Netlink's master equals one system. If you have 10 masters, even if they are all in the same rack and are all communicating via master to master, you still have 10 systems. Also importantly, each of those masters must have a unique system number assigned to it. The valid range of assigned system numbers is 1 through 65,535. Again, when assigning system numbers to masters, in order to make the code readable and maintainable, some logical numbering scheme should be used. Let's put it all together to define some devices as a review with several examples of how to complete the DPS assignments for your devices. DV Conference 102 Master gets 0:1:102. The master device is 0, the port is 1, and the system is 102. DV Conference 102 Keypad gets 85:1:102. The Axlink keypad is device 85, port 1, and it's on system 102. DV Conference 102 DVD gets 5001:2:102. This is an RS-232 port on an NX controller, device 5001, and it's on port number 2 on system 102. DV Conference 102 Blu-ray gets 5001:11:102. This is an IR port on an NX controller, which is device 5001, port 11, system 102. DV Conference 102 projector gets 5401:1:102. This is an RS-232 port on a DX-Link receiver, device number 5401, using port 1 on system 102. And finally, DV Conference 102 TP_nav gets 10001:1:102. And this is a touch panel device, 10001, using port 1 on system 102. It's also significant to understand how and why you want to use a value of 0 in the defined device in place of the master's assigned system number. By placing a 0 in the system number location of a DPS, you are allowing this code to work on any system into which this code is loaded. Thus, the reason we say System 0 represents this system. The benefit of doing this is that if you have, say, a dozen identical rooms, each with its own master, you can write the code once, with 0 in the DPS, and load that program into all 12 rooms. One last point here, while 0 can be used to make the code more portable, the master's assigned system number can never be 0. If we go back and look at all my device definitions, they're extremely specific. They all begin with DV Conference 102. If this code is intended to be loaded on multiple masters, we would make the device names a bit more generic by dropping the Conference 102 reference, and we would change the system numbers to 0. Let's move on to learn about the style guide.